Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. Now today in this video we're going to be doing a super cheap and super easy mod, which is removing the rear windscreen wiper. Now why might you do this, you might ask? Well, for looks. No other reason, just for looks. Now all you need to do this is a cheap kit off eBay, or you can get more expensive kits if you look around online if you really want to. The kit I ordered was about £4.50, I'll drop a link in the description. And all it comes with is this little puck to fill in the hole where the windscreen wiper was, and some sealant to go on it. Now to do that we're going to need to remove some plastics on the rear boot, in which case we're going to need a screwdriver set. And then to remove the trim we're going to need something flat and pliable. I've got these spreaders from work. A pry tool is better and probably softer and do less damage, but that's what I've got to hand. And otherwise we're going to need probably a socket set, although I think some bits are falling out of there. Now the rear end of my car is looking great at the moment. I've just debadged it, as I'll show you here, and I think she looks fantastic. I've also got a diffuser in the post, and yes, there'll be a full video about that. In fact, there might even be 2 videos, because I've got to put it together and fit it to the car and do a few of my own mods to make it my own. So I'm just preparing for that really, with the debadging and the wiper delete. But again, this is a really cheap modification that anyone can do, and it really does change the appearance of the car from basically general traffic kind of car to looking more kind of like a race car, which is why I'm doing it. So anyway, let's crack on with the job. Well, I finished it, and it was not as quick and easy as I thought it was going to be, but it's done, and my god, she looks ace. Check this out. Now, it was not quite as easy as I thought it might be, so I removed the plastic trim from inside the boot, which was nice and easy. Well, I'll say it was nice and easy. It took a while, but, you know, there was no dramas. And then I realised I had to take out the winder motor, so I tried to take that out and couldn't get it out, so I realised, hang on a minute, that's attached to the rear wiper. So I tried to remove the rear wiper. Oh my god, it's taken me like, it was sunlight and sunny and now it's gone dusk. I've been here for days. But yeah, got that off eventually with some mole grips. And then got the wiper motor out, put all the plastics back in, put the puck, like the little circular puck I showed you before, I put that in place with some sealant underneath and wiped around. And now, oh my god, she looks fantastic. When the diffuser gets on this car, this is going to look like a race car, baby! Thanks for watching, guys, and if you want to see more mods done by a complete amateur, i.e. me, make sure you subscribe. I've got plenty more to come over the years, over the next few months even, and some car cleaner stuff, and some polishing, and I'm going to have some more RC car content as well, racing and bashing, and I'm moving house soon. I'm going to be building a mini workshop. So many cool videos coming up, so make sure you hit subscribe, guys, and I'll see you next time.